Yo, what's good, people? It's man like Jamo, and it quick little review thing today, fam. We're out here with the MSI Pro MP161. Big shout out to MSI for sending this down for me to check out and ting. Little portable monitor ting, no like flashiness. As far as I'm aware, it's like a 1080p, 1080p monitor, 60 hertz. Can charge it up by USB-C. Doesn't require that much power at all. It's super lightweight, 4 millisecond response time. So again, not the highest grade in terms of gaming kind of thing. It's not supposed to be a gaming monitor. Obviously, I'm a gaming channel, so I'm gonna game on it though. 15.6 inch, 600:1 contrast ratio, not the craziest, and 250 nits, which isn't the brightest monitor or screen I've ever looked at. Now, this is actually the screen. It comes in a nice little carry case. Yes, I've already taken it outside the box and had a little play with it. And yeah, I can't lie, in terms of build quality, I'm not mad. You got a little MSI logo at the bottom. Bezels aren't too ridiculous. And that's about it for the front of the panel. If I go to the back now, you've got this little kickstand, which seems very sturdy. It's even got this rubberized bottom so that if you do stand it up, the kickstand won't be sliding around. You've also got some rubberized feet on the bottom of the unit here, and on this side you've just got a speaker. On the top, nothing at all. And then on the right hand side you've got it's like a power button or like a select button. You've got like a volume rocker, which can also be used in the monitor menu. You've got 2 USB ports, and you've got HDMI. Now, it's just normal HDMI 2.0, I believe, or probably even less, because this is a 1080p 60 hertz monitor, so there's no point of going over HDMI 2.0. You get it. USB-C can carry video as well as power the device. So how it works is, if you're using a games console, for example, or HDMI device, you plug it in via the HDMI, and then you plug in a separate cable to power this monitor via the USB-C. Or if you've got a Badman device, you can just plug that device directly in via USB-C, and it will carry video and power the monitor at the same time, which means you only need one cable to get this thing working theoretically, if the device you're using is capable. And that's pretty much it. In 2 minutes, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's get some games on the screen, show you what it's looking like. Yeah, fam, I do like the kickstand though. The kickstand is definitely kickstanding. Yeah, look at that. Alright, so first I'm gonna try a phone connection. So USB-C cable. This is the USB-C cable that came with the device, by the way. And I'm gonna plug that right into any of the USB-C ports on the side. Oh, by the way, this came with a USB-C to C cable, came with a HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Yeah, it just came with everything necessary, really. So that's kind of cool. And yep, there we go. We're here. We're done, fam. This is the Motorola desktop software. So this is what it looks like if you plug your Motorola into a computer screen. This is the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And there you go, fam. See, so that's only one cable, and you've got a whole kind of desktop experience going on there. That's kind of sick. And for example, with apps like YouTube, where you can only watch YouTube while you got the app open on Android for some reason. But if you're using this thing right here, you can open YouTube, set that to play. Let's get it to play some Techo Jam, of course. Leave that over there in the corner, and obviously I can open something completely different. I don't know, I can open photos, and I can be looking at photos whilst the video starts to play in the background. You get it? Yeah, that's kind of sick. So yeah, that works quite easily on a phone kind of thing. Let me try and plug the Nintendo Switch into it now. Right, now let's get the Nintendo Switch plugged in. They've put a HDMI to mini HDMI in the box, as man said, so I'm gonna just plug that into the monitor here. That should probably go off in a second, and then I think I can go into the in menu right here, go into input source, go to HDMI, and I should be good to go. There we go. We're fine. We're nice. We even got the little Mario Kart music in the background and ting. Yeah, all good, man, all good. No issues there at all. Alright, let's go. Colors look nice, frame rate looks nice, pixels look nice. So I don't know what it is. When you get a nice small screen like this, that's like only 1080p, for some reason it just looks mad sharp. I don't know if you guys are getting the same kind of sharpness from the recording, because obviously I think I'm shooting at 4K, but I don't know. I'm shooting on my phone at the moment. But right now, it just looks mad sharp. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me not play right now whilst I'm trying to record, because I'm just gonna get some Mario Kart rage. Let me just at least get somebody with this first of all. What the? Okay, that's it. No, shut the thing down. Just noticed that I've got the volume turned all the way up on this external monitor kind of thing, and it's okay. It's not that loud. It's not crazy loud at all, and there's no 3.5mm headphone jack on this monitor either. So the only way you're plugging an external speaker into here is if you're doing it via USB-C or USB-C to whatever device is connected. But yeah, it looks good. Let me just look at those viewing angles. I can see, yeah, do you know what? Viewing angles, I'm not too sure about. It seems that as I go to the left and the right of the monitor, the picture gets a bit darker and it loses a bit of color. So it's definitely a monitor for like people that are sitting directly in front of it, people that are trying to watch from the sides. It's going to be a little bit dark for them, but that's okay, because if you're doing a confidentiality thing, then at least people won't be prying or preying you from the corners, innit? It would be nice if they put a little power brick in here, so that if you're using the USB-C and HDMI mode, you've got a power brick to plug the USB-C to C cable into to power the monitor itself. Right now, I'm playing Nintendo Switch and I'm powering the monitor through my smartphone though. So yeah, it's not too bad. I do find that the saturation is kind of dull though. I don't know if you're gonna see it through this video, but the saturation of the screen just looks a lot less saturated than my smartphone. It looks a lot less saturated than the Switch itself. It just looks a lot less saturated than the screen on my laptop. I'm not sure about the color accuracy, so I don't know if I can recommend it for like Photoshop or content creation workflows where your colors need to be on point. Not that I know about all them RGB stuffs and them things there, them DCI-P3, whatever it's called. But yeah, as far as I can see, for playing games, it's not that saturated at all. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Let me know what you think. The MSI Pro MP161 portable lightweight monitor thing, not meant for gaming, but man gave it the little gaming test and I was quite impressed with what I was getting on the Nintendo Switch. Albeit the fact that man did not win my race of Mario Kart, but all is fair in love of Mario Kart, fam, so we have to keep it moving, innit? I'll catch you guys in the next one.